Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing great and well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to the video. Welcome back to our lecture. I am back with you guys with another lecture of maths. Today we're going to do surface area of cylinder. So let's start. Let's start our today's class. If you're new on my YouTube channel, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, press the bell icon to get notification of my each and every video. And if you have any question in English or the math sense, you can comment on any of my video. I'll go through it as soon as possible. So today our topic is surface area of cylinder. So we are going to find the surface area of cylinder, closed right circular cylinder. So pi r square plus pi r square plus 2 pi r h, that means 2 pi r plus h. Okay, so now that's equals to circumference. Okay, you can say that circumference r plus h. Now pi r square plus pi r square. Now here if you look at this cylinder, so this is how the cylinder looks. It has two bases, the upper base, the top base, and the circular base, which is the lower base. Both of them are circular bases. So the area of circle is pi r square. So if one base is pi r square, then there is also going to be pi r square. So what we're going to do, we are going to do add pi r square with pi r square. That is going to give us 2 pi r, and plus 2 pi r h. What is 2 pi r h? It's the height. Okay, which when we open this height, we are going to have a rectangle inside it. Okay, when you open this height, we're going to have a rectangle inside it, but the height is 2 pi r. 2 pi r is the height. Now 2 pi r h is the height, sorry. Okay, why 2 pi r h? Because it's the distance of two rectangles, and that's why. And if we half it, then it's going to be pi r h. Okay, so that's why it's 2 pi r plus h. You can write it as 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square or 2 pi r plus h. That means we were having r square here and we put 1 r in the brackets. That means 2 pi r square plus h. That means the same. Okay, that is equal to circumference. So area of circumference, now for circumference formula is 2 pi r. So instead of writing 2 pi r, you can just write circumference r plus h. Okay, you can revise it like this. Now circumference is 2 pi r. That means 2 pi r plus h. It means the same. Okay, now the net of a, okay, so circular tops face, this is a circular top face, this blue one. Okay, it's pi r square. Now this red one is 2 pi r h or 2 pi r is that in this curved surface area. So circular top face is pi r square, the curved surface area is 2 pi r h. Curved surface area is also known as literal surface area. It's also 2 pi r h, means the same. Now circular base face, it is pi r square again. So the total surface area is going to be of a closed cylinder DSA is going to be pi r square plus 2 pi r, that is equals to pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Okay, or you can write it as pi 2 pi r plus h, that is equals to circumference r plus h. Surface area of cylinder if it is a closed cylinder, so area is going to be 2 pi r plus h if it's only a closed cylinder. If it's a closed cylinder, okay, and when it's an open top cylinder, that means it just has a top, it does not has a bottom, so it is going to be pi r plus h, which means pi r square plus 2h. Okay, now an open cylinder or tube, okay, now what's going to be, it is equal to 2 pi r h. That means that it's just open from both ends. It's just like a tube, so it's going to only have the curved surface area, which is 2 pi r h. Okay, so fill the blanks according to given figure at the right. So radius of the base of cylinder is r. Okay, and height of cylinder is h, and formula for base area of cylinder is pi r square. Formula for curved surface area is 2 pi r h. Only dash of the curved surface area shaded, so it is half. You guys can see the curved surface area, only half if it is shaded. So shaded area of cylinder is 1/2 multiplied by 2 pi r h. Why? Because we have taken half height, that's why we are going to multiply it with 1/2, or you at the end after solving 2 pi r h, you can divide by 2. Both are correct. Now encircle each statement as true or false and also rectify the statement if it's false. A solid cylinder has one circular face or faces and one curved faces. It is false. It has two circular faces and one curved faces. Okay. Area of base of cylindrical glass is 154 centimeter square and curved surface area is 88 centimeter square. Total surface area of glass will be 242 centimeter square, and it is true. Shaded area of figure given at the right is 2 pi r square. So it's wrong. It's false. It's 2 pi r h, because here it is only curved surface area shaded or literal surface area shaded. A hollow cylinder has dash curved surface. It's false, whatever that was, because it's hidden by the answer. So it has only one curved surface. Okay, hollow cylinder has only one curved surface. Product of circumference of circle and height of cylinder gives an area of curved surface area of cylinder. Yeah, that's true. Cost of cementing the well is equals to rate multiplied by top surface area of cylinder, not curved surface area of cylinder. Why cementing the wall? So wall, if you talk about wall that has a curved surface area, which is 2 pi r, so it's false. If surface area of cylinder given at the right is 440 centimeter square, shaded area is 220 centimeter square. So that's true because it's half. That's why. Now, the circular cylinder is a closed solid that has connected by the surface area. So that's pause, whatever that is, that's a flat. So it's two flat bases. Okay. The difference between the total surface area of a cylinder and space is pi r square. Suppose it is 2 pi r h plus pi r square. Okay. Now, a circular cylinder is a closed solid that has two parallel bases connected by the surface A curved surface. Yeah, that's true. So Ishal wants to cement the walls of well. If radius of well is A and its height is h, tick the formula which of the one following is she will use 2 pi a square, 2 pi a h, or pi a square. Okay, so it is 2 pi a h. Okay, because she wants to cement the wall. Okay, wall of well. Now ticked for a shaded region of a given figure is pi r square, 2 pi r square, pi r h plus pi r square, 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. It's the second one. Why? Because it is half shaded. Now here there's one base area that is pi r square plus, now it's half is taken shaded here, so we're not going to take 2 pi r h, we're going to take pi r h. Now Sarah wants to paint only the walls of cylindrical room. To estimate the amount of paint required, she will find its, what will she find? Curved surface area. She will find its curved surface area. If radius of each of the following figure is r and height is h, encircle the formula to be used for finding shaded area following figure. So for finding the area of shaded figures is 2 pi r square, 2 pi r square. Why? Because here two bases are shaded, not only one. And for the second video, second part is going to be pi r h plus pi r square. Why? Because half curved surface or half literal surface is shaded in one basis there. And for the third one is going to pi r square 2 pi r plus h, because it's completely shaded. That's why. If radius of cylinder is r and height is h, look at the given nets of the dry formula. Okay, so for first one is pi r square, 2 pi r h. Why? Because only the curved surface area is shaded. And for the second one is pi r square plus 2 pi r h, or pi r plus 2h. Okay, and for the third one pi r square, and for the fourth one you can use 2 pi r plus h, which is complete. Okay, so you have to look at the following items in the given column and table by keeping in mind the surface of the object. So a closed circular tin, so its form of variation is closed from both ends, top is present, bottom is present, and curved surface area is also present. A glass, so it's open at one end, so its top is not present, bottom is present, and curved surface area is present. A pipe, it is open from both ends, so it does not have a top or bottom, it has curved surface area. Then a straw, so it's open from both ends, so it does not have a top or bottom, it has curved surface area. A well, it's open one end, so it does not have a top, so it has a bottom and curved surface area. A closed water tank, closed cylinder, so it has all three things. Now encircle yes or no for each of the following. If we divide the total surface area by the circumference of base, we will get the sum of radius and height. That is true. Quotient of curved surface area and circumference of base gives radius of cylinder. No. Difference between pi r square, 2 pi r plus h, and area of bases of cylinder is pi r h. No. The total surface area of a cylinder is sum of height and radius times circumference. Yes. The two cylinders have same radius and their height r h, and two total surface area differ by 2 pi r h. Yes. Now take the correct option for each of the following. Total surface area of a cylinder includes curved surface area plus two circular bases. Curved surface area does not include B and C, which is side curved surface and circular stop. Okay, because curved surface area includes pi r square h, it means lateral face. Okay. The curved surface area is equals to 2 pi r h, then h is equals to curved surface area times 2 pi r. Okay, if diameter is equals to 12 centimeter, curved surface area is equals to 12 pi h. Okay, curved surface area depends on radius and height both. Can without top has surface area pi r square plus 2 pi r h, because it does not have top, so we cannot write 2 pi r square. It's pi r square. Find the cost of making a cylindrical oil drum at the rate of rupees 20 per centimeter square if the radius is 35 centimeter and height is 50 centimeter. Pi is equals to 22/7, so surface area of drum is equals to pi r square 2 pi r plus h, that equals to 2 multiplied by 22/7 multiplied by 35 centimeter multiplied by 37 centimeter plus 50 centimeter. Now you have to add 50 centimeter with 35, so 85 centimeter in 45. Like we have to do here 7 divided by 35, so we can do solve this, and we can have 44 multiplied by 5, we're going to get 220. You have to multiply these both, we're going to get 18,700 centimeters square. So cost of painting the oil drum, rate multiplied by surface area, so 20 multiplied by 18,700. You have to remove the signs, we're going to get we're going to multiply it, we're going to get 37 3704,000. Okay, find the shaded area. Area of top surface is going to be pi r square, so that's going to be 20 over 7 centimeter 7 centimeter. You have to deduct these two sevens, when you get 22 multiplied by 7 centimeter, and as at the end after multiplication you're going to get 154 centimeter square. And area of curved surface, what you're going to get 2 pi rh, and you're going to multiply it, you're gonna cancel 7 with each other, and you're going to get 44 centimeter after multiplying 2 over 22, and 28 is left, and you're going to multiply these two, 1 2 3 2 centimeter square. Now 8 shaded area is equals to area of top surface plus area of curved surface. You have to add the both, you're going to get 13,086 centimeter cube. Okay, so diameter is equals to 28 centimeter, radius is equals to diameter divided by 2. So what is the radius you're gonna get? So then as a radius you're gonna get 28 divided by, when you're going to divide 28 by 2, you're gonna get 14 centimeter. Now you have to find the area of top surface. This is the top surface, and you need to find its area. So what you're gonna do, 22 over 7 multiplied by 14 centimeter, multiplied by 14 centimeter, you're gonna cut 14 with 7. In 7 place you're gonna get 1, in 14 place you're gonna get 2. So 2, you're gonna multiply 2 with 22, and you're gonna get 44. Then at the end you're gonna multiply 44 with 14, you're gonna get 616, and at the end the area of base is going to be 616. Now for finding shaded area, you're going to get 616 with 616 centimeter square, you're going to get 1232 centimeter cube, which is going to be the final shaded area. And then complete the following table by showing complete working. Okay, given information for the cylinder. So radius, if radius is 14 centimeter and height is 5 centimeter, so what we have to find? For finding the diameter, we're going to divide 14 with 2, we're going to get we're going to do 2d, like 2 multiplied by 14 to get the diameter. So that's why on that purpose we are going to what we are going to do is that we are going to multiply the radius with 2, and for height is 5 centimeter. Now curved surface area 2 pi rh, I have to push the r value and h value in the formula, that is 2 pi rh. Then after complete working, you're going to get 440 centimeter square, and in base area is pi r square. So for the base area, again you're going to put the value of r square, and you're going to get your answer. Sorry, okay. 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 Okay, now total surface area, for total surface area you have to add these both, so you're going to get 1672. So that's the final answer. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna have a look at the cylinder given below and choose the correct answers from the options in the bracket. Type of cylinder is right, okay, not oblique, light. Height of the given cylinder is 10 centimeter, that's shown here. Standing shows that the surface area with its curved surface area. Okay, that the dotted region shows that of the cylinder, showing the surface a circular surface area. Okay, vertical lines region is same as dash dotted dotting region. Now radius of the top surface of cylinder is 7.5 centimeter, because we have to divide 15 with 2. Okay, now okay, so now cylinder r is equals to radius, h is equal to height. So little surface area is 2 pi r, and total surface is 2 pi r, h plus r. Okay, or c into h plus r. Okay, volume of cylinder is equals to pi r square h. Now the cylinder comes apart like this. Curved surface area CSA of a cylinder is equals to 2 pi r. Now total surface area TSA of a cylinder, TSA is equals to CSA plus top plus bottom. So that means 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square plus 2 pi plus pi r, sorry, pi r square. Now close at both ends. Now that is going to be 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. Now close at one end, that's going to be 2 pi r h plus pi r square, because it's open at one end, and open at both ends is going to be 2 pi r h, because it's open at both ends. So how we can find out the cost of painting the cylinder if the rate of painting unit of square is given? Now cost of painting will be calculating by taking the product of rate and the surface area, name of two factors that factor only on which of the surface area of cylinder depends upon radius and height. Now in the blanks giving the answers of term of pi. So now here radius is equal to 5 centimeter and height is equal to 8 centimeter. Area is equal to pi r square, so pi 5 centimeter square is 25 pi centimeter. Now pi 2 pi 5 centimeter is equals to 10 pi. Now circumference equals to 2 pi r, that is equal to pi d. Area is equals to 10 pi multiplied by Now area is equals to 80 pi, and for this figure, area is equals to pi r square. Now 25 pi. Now total surface area is 25 pi plus 25 plus 80 pi, that equals to 130 pi. Now find the cost of wrapping a cylindrical shaped jar with the air at the rate of rupees 15 centimeter, 15 per centimeter square. If the radius of base of cylinder is 14 centimeter and height is 12 centimeter, now total surface area of cylinder is equals to 2 pi r plus h. Now you have to do the working cancel. 7 with 14, 2 and 2 multiplied by 22, 44 multiplied by 2, 88. Now 14 plus 12 is 26. Now you have to multiply 88 with 26. 2288 centimeter square. Now cost of wrapping, rate multiplied by surface area. Then you're gonna get, after multiplying, rupees 34,320. When the curved surface area of a cylinder is open, it forms a rectangle. If the area of rectangle is equals to curved surface area, then height of cylinder is equals to curved surface area divided by what? Pi d, which is circumference. A student found the height of a cylinder when curved surface area is 440 centimeter square, radius is 7 centimeter as shown in the right. You can see this, h is equals to 440 divided by pi multiplied by 7. Which of the following statement is true? In denominator, 7 should be squared. No. Numerator should be 7 pi. No. Division should be 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by 7 centimeter. Yeah, that's true. Numerator should be 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by 7 centimeter. That's also not true. Fill in the blanks. Now here we are having radius of circle, that is 3.5 centimeter, and diameter of circle. Now 2 have to multiply 2 with 3.5, so you are going to get 7 centimeter. Area of circle is equal to 22 over 7, and you have to find the square of 35 centimeter. 3.5 centimeter, you have to divide 3.5 with 7. You're going to get 38.5 as the total answer. Now length of a circle, 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3.5 centimeter, 22 centimeter. Area of rectangle, now you have to find length multiplied by weight. You're going to get 110 centimeter square. Surface area, add all of these, 187 centimeter square. Now a student solve the problem. If curved surface area is equal to 440 centimeter square, height is equal to 10 centimeter, find the radius shown. Identify the area of his solution. So what he did in this problem, that he did not multiply the term in denominator with 2, which he had to. A student was asked to find radius of cylinder if curved surface area is 308 centimeter square and height is equal to 7 centimeter. Student's first step of solutions is equals to 308 is equals to pi r square. Identify the mistakes of his solution. So what he used base area formula instead of curved surface area. Okay, if curved surface area is equal to 880 meter square, height is equal to 14 meter, find radius. Student writes the solution as follows. What is the incorrect in student's method? What did he did? What is incorrect? Numerator and denominator interchange, which he does not has to do. Okay, if curved surface is equal to 264 centimeter square, height is equal to 12 centimeter, find radius. Student writes the solution as follows. What is his mistake? So in this, what is his mistake? He used addition instead of multiplication in denominator. Okay, he has used to use multiplication. Give the area of base of cylinder is 1696 centimeter square. Find radius of the base of cylinder. Students solved it as follows. Tick the statement which are true about it. Okay, r is equal to 1 over 196 divided by pi. So square root is missing on 196 divided by pi. That's the thing, and formula is incorrect. Okay, and a student found radius of base cylinder as shown given below. Identify the error of in calculation. So in this calculation, what it did, it's r is equals to square root of 114 divided by pi. This is what he was supposed to do. He did not use the square root formula, which is absolutely making it wrong. Now here you can see this is a question. If area of curved surface area of a cylindrical shape pipe is 264 centimeter and length of pipe is this, and find the base. So for that purpose you have to apply the curved surface area formula. 264 centimeter square, you have to do the cutting. You're going to 4 pi r. Now you have to bring r to that, you have to bring 88 over 7 to that side. You have to divide it and then apply the Kirchhoff method, and then r is equals to, after doing the cutting, and get a 3 multiple 7, you're going to get r as 21. Okay, here it's cost question. That's very easy. I hope you understand today's class. So another class. Bye bye, take care. Allah Hafiz everyone.